My brothers and sisters, we commence in the name of Allah. We send blessings and salutations on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his household, his companions. We ask Allah to bless them and to bless every one of us. My brothers and sisters, who is Allah? And why should we be worshipping Him? You know, I am on earth, I have brain, I have eyes, I have ears, I have hands, I have limbs, I have feelings, I have relatives, I have so much, I earn, I spend, and guess what? At the end of that, I die. May Allah grant us mercy and forgiveness. And may Allah be pleased with all of us. So, I was made by Supreme Deity. Someone made me, and this is what makes a believer. So the believer believes that someone made them. They didn't just appear or they didn't just come about from nothing. And this is what believers believe, because we are so sophisticated. It's impossible for us to just appear somewhere. I mean, if I were to tell you that something has just popped in your backyard and it is a sophisticated electronic gadget, but it just came from nowhere, you would think I was crazy. Someone has to have put it there. It must have come there somehow. There must be an explanation for it. In a similar way, we are more sophisticated than any gadget. I mean, if one limb or organ fails, may Allah protect us from this, we would need a lot of help to try to alleviate the pain or suffering that is caused as a result of that organ having failed. So we have to believe this, that someone made us, someone made me. Now, once I realized that someone has made me and I believe that there is a supreme deity who made me, the question arises, who made me? So, is it another person who looks like me? The answer is no. Because there are millions of others, billions of others who look just like me, who cannot make someone just like me. They have not made somebody in the past, or they are not going to make somebody in the future. And that's why Allah says, we will continue showing them signs in the creation of Allah as well as in themselves, until it is proven beyond doubt to them that it is the truth. And according to the books of the explanation of the Quran, the term "it" here is referring to the Quran itself. Revelation. Revelation is the truth. It has come to you with a lot, and Allah will prove it as the time passes that each and everything He taught you is the truth. So with Allah, His signs are there and you can actually feel and see the signs. But to see Him, we will see Him after the death. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us best possible day, being the day to see Him. How beautiful that day is going to be. So, we believe this deity who made us. There is a supreme deity, and because He made us, we owe Him everything. We owe Him everything what He wants from us. We owe it to Him because we are so helpless. We are going to return to Him. It must be remembered that everyone will taste the death. So, in order to be succeed in this world and hereafter, we have to believe in Allah and worship Him, and we have to fulfill what He wants us to do. We have to believe that He is the giver of life. He is the self-sustainer. He is the mighty. He is the owner. He is the ruler. He is the Lord. He is the creator. And there is no one in the creation that has any similitude to Him. He is only one. That's why He sent prophets with common message of monotheism, that He is only one God, God alone, with no partners, no associates. He is only one.